Once, there was a monk who walked through a dense forest with his young disciple. As they journeyed, the monk spoke about life and how everything in the world is connected. "I see now, Master," said the disciple one day. "We are all connected as one." The monk smiled and nodded. They walked further into the forest. Suddenly, a tiger emerged from the trees. The disciple stayed calm, watching the tiger approach. When he turned to his master for guidance, he was surprised to find that the master was nowhere to be seen. Then he looked up and saw the master clinging to a nearby tree. Confused, the disciple called out, "Master, I thought we are all one. Why should I fear the tiger? It is just another form of myself." "The tiger may not know that," shouted the monk from the tree. "Get up here quickly." After they were safe, the monk came down and joined his disciple. He gently explained, "We are all connected spiritually, but in the real world, we must also be cautious of dangers. It's not only about understanding, but also about using wisdom and taking actions to keep ourselves safe." The story shows us that realizing we're all connected is meaningful, but it's also vital to understand practical realities. Even though the disciple understood unity, he had to stay safe from the tiger. The monk's actions highlight the importance of combining spiritual understanding with practical wisdom to handle life's challenges wisely. You see, in life, feeling connected to others and recognizing our unity brings peace and compassion. However, we must also be prepared for life's dangers. Like the disciple, balancing spiritual insights with practical actions helps us stay safe by being cautious and taking necessary precautions in challenging situations. This is Inspired Visions. Thanks for watching and stay focused.